Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of Spelling. Today we're looking at the word your. Your and your. So let's have a look at the difference in the meaning. Your with an apostrophe, like we learned in episode 1 of Spelling, means you are. So I've replaced the A with the apostrophe. Your with Y-O-U-R means something belongs to you. Let's look at some examples. You're a very nice person. You're always very friendly. This means you are a very nice person. You are always very friendly. Let's have a look at the next one. You should always study your notes if you want to pass your test. Clearly here the notes and the test belong to you. Now let's try and put both of them in one sentence to really feel the difference. You're only really happy when you follow your heart. You're, meaning you are, so you are only really happy when you follow your heart. The heart belongs to you. So practice these 2 spelling rules and good luck.